Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today's topic is about something that might sound boring on the surface, but guys stick with me because it affects your money, your future and your quality of life. So, we are breaking down what's being called Trump's new big beautiful bill. And no, it's not about just the politics. It's about how this expensive legislation could cost you a lot more than you think. So, guys, let's get started and let's talk real world dollars and cents. So, first explore what is this big beautiful all about. It's a major legislative package pushed together through the House with major backing from the former President Donald Trump. The bill promises sweeping changes and the big tax cuts. Sounds good, right? But here is the catch. This one bill alone is expected to add nearly $4 trillion to the national debt. And that number isn't coming from the political opponents, it's coming from the non partisan Congressional Budget Office. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not in the Congress, I'm not responsible for the national debt. So, why should, as the end user, I should care? Here is why. Every time the government borrows some money, interest rates go up. And when interest rates rise, it hits you in the ways you can actually feel. So let's look at the ways. Let's see, you are trying to buy a home. Mortgage rates are influenced by the US Treasury rates. So the more debt the government racks up, the higher your interest rates might be. That means your dream homes becomes less affordable. The same goes for the car loans, credit card debt, and even the student loans. So, if you are already a homeowner, rising interest rates can also make it more expensive to tap into your home's equity for the renovations or future repairs. You end up paying more just to use your own home's value. And it doesn't stop there, guys. Let's talk about your job as well. Businesses also rely on borrowing money to grow, whether it's to open new locations, invest in the technology, or hire more people. So, if borrowing becomes more expensive for them, they may also slow down. That could mean the fewer job opportunities and lower wages for you, and also mean some layoffs. Even your retirement isn't safe in this scenario. When government borrowing goes up, interest payments on that debt skyrocket. In fact, last year, for the first time ever, the US government spent more on interest than it did on the entire defense budget. That's wild, right? And all that money, billions and billions of dollars, could have gone to the things like the education, infrastructure, or even Medicare that would have benefit the consumers. So, guys, what does this mean for you? It means every dollar the government pays in the interest is a dollar not spent on the things that improve your life. Roads don't get fixed, schools don't get funded, also, healthcare programs don't expand, and the list goes on. Let's not forget these savings and investments. If you are someone trying to build wealth through the stock market or even your 401k, you might be in the trouble. Higher interest rates make bonds more attractive compared to the stocks, which can drag the entire market down. That means your investments might not grow as fast, or you could even lose some value. Your home's value might also take a hit. With high mortgage rates keeping buyers away, home prices could stagnate or even fall in some areas. So that's also a loss. And for many Americans, their home is their biggest source of wealth. Now, here is the scary part. If this kind of reckless spending continues, the country could face a full blown debt crisis. Think about what happened in the countries like the Greece or Portugal. When investors lose confidence in a country's ability to repay the debt, they back off and things can spiral fast. So guys, we are not there yet, but according to experts, we are headed in the wrong direction. Trump and his allies argued that this bill will pay for itself by boosting economic growth. But according to a respected economic analysis from the Payne Wharton budget model, it would only add up to 0.5% to the GDP over the 10 years. while adding over $3.3 trillion to the deficit. So let's be real. That's like taking out a massive credit card loan, hoping you will get a raise someday and spending all the money now. That's a foolishness, right? And the worst part is, while politicians keep fighting about the budget, you are left dealing with the consequences: higher cost, fewer opportunities, slower wage growth, and less financial security. So, guys, what's the takeaway here? It's simple. The government's choices about spending and debt don't just stay in the Washington. They trickle down into your home, your wallet, and your future. The big beautiful bill might sound appealing on the surface, but in reality, it could lead to the higher cost, weaker job markets, and slower economic growth for the regular people like you and me. So, guys, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts on this. Stay informed, ask questions, and don't let big promises distract from the real consequences. As I said, if you like this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more explanations just like this, and let me know in the comments. What do you think about this bill? Is it worth the risk? Until next time, take care and stay financial. I will see you in the next video.